Hi my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a natural yet very effective remedy that will help you to get rid of all of your underarm hair. It's not necessarily underarm hair, it can be jaw hair, chin hair, your chest hair, any hair you actually do not want anymore, or you actually do, it's unwanted, like rub it there and it's going to get rid of it. Okay, since it is natural, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be doing this for it to be working really well. So let's dive into this video, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's go. Now to get rid of underarm hair, you're going to be needing to use tomato. Now tomato is a great remedy that works wonders on the skin. It contains a lightening property for the skin. It helps to glow the skin. It helps to remove pigments. It also helps to remove all unwanted hair. It helps in delaying the growth of a new hair. And then we're going to be needing rice. Rice contains an astringent property that works wonders in smoothing the skin. It also contains a whitening property that helps to remove dead skin cells, therefore lightening up your skin and making your skin look plump and beautiful. Now rice is a remedy that works wonders in also removing wrinkles, fine lines and pigmentations. It helps to soften the skin. Alright, so the next one we're going to be needing is going to be gelatin. Now this is actually going to help to eradicate the hair from the hair gland. Alright, and the tomato also is going to help to delay the growth of a new hair. So basically we're going to be making use of gelatin. Turmeric powder works wonders in rejuvenating the skin. It helps to glow and polish up the skin. It also helps to remove all unwanted hair, leaving your skin rejuvenated and smooth. And it also helps to lighten up the skin because it contains a lightening property that works wonders in repairing dead skin cells. So we're going to be cutting the tomato in pieces. So we're going to be blending the tomato. Alright guys, so for the rice, you have to boil your rice, and then you will be needing the boiled rice. So I'm going to be taking just 2 tablespoons of boiled rice into this bowl. And then just a little quantity of gelatin will go a long way. I'm going to be putting in the turmeric powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Now all of these things, even if you don't want to measure it guys, you can actually do without. So 1 tablespoon of the tomato would be perfect. And you're going to be adding just a little bit of water into this. Now you would have to mix it all up together. Now if you're going to be using a mixer just like me, it's going to make it faster. Alright, now it's properly mixed and the consistency is perfect. Alright guys, so you can see I have just a little bit of hair on my underhands, and my underhands tend to get dark these days. So I'm actually going to be making a remedy to lighten that up, and this is the treatment for the hair removal. Okay, So you're going to use that, mash it through your hands. Alright guys, so you, for this treatment you would have to use it for like 3 days, but from the very first day you use it guys, it's just going to help you to melt the hair. The second day is going to help to remove the hair, and the third day all of the hairs are gone, okay, because it is actually natural, so it does things gradually, okay, it doesn't just poof like that, but of course it does really well, and it gets rid of all of the hair. Okay, so you're going to leave it on your underhands for at most 10 minutes, and you would have to apply it on the other hand also. Okay. Okay guys, so this is it. 10 minutes and your hair is melted and you are good to go, right? So I'm gonna be waiting for 10 minutes. I'm actually not gonna be raising my hands for 10 minutes, but I'm just gonna release my hand, and I'll have to get rid of this white that I'm wearing so the turmeric does not stain. Okay, so after 10 minutes then you wash it off. You notice that your hair, if your hair is tiny, like very soft, it's gonna like go off from the first day, but if it's as strong as mine, it's not going to go off from the first day, so you would have to apply it again for 3 days. And the most important part of this is that it's going to also help to reduce the growth of the hair, so that's why you have to apply it only on the places in which you know that you do not want hair there. Okay, so that's basically it guys. I use it on my 2 hands and I'm going to be using it for 3 days, and it's going to work really fine for me. Well, it does also delay the growth of the new hair, and you can use it on down there, you know, also to get rid of the hair. And this is actually really wonderful. So if you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and I'll see you again. Bye guys. Mwah.